Most emails are bland, they don't have any personality. It seems as if they have been written from one robot to another. In this video, we are going to see how to use personalization tags and custom fields so in order to create great email experiences. We will go through an example how Marvel Comics can use it in order to create great experiences for all its loyal fans. So let's get it rolling. We'll first quickly create a list of all Marvel fans. So let's name it Marvel Fans Club. The next thing we have to think about is creating custom fields. So we would later on see how we will use these custom fields in our email. So let's quickly create two custom fields. One is for superhero name. Let's create another custom field which points to the URL of these superheroes. So let's call it superhero URL. Awesome. Now let's import fans in the erstwhile created list. So we had created a Marvel fans list. Let's import fans in this list. Yep. So here we are. Let's quickly map these columns, email, name, and let's map these columns to our custom fields. So this is superhero name, and the other is the URL of these superheroes. So let's do a quick submit. And once we have done that, we can see that all this Marvel fans have been added. Clicking on edit will show that all the custom fields have been populated correctly. So let's quickly open this image and we can see, okay, this is Superman and he's basically Varun is a fan of Superman. Awesome. Let's quickly create a broadcast campaign where we will see how to use these personalization tags. So let's call it Marvel fan offer. Let's send it to everyone in Marvel fans and we'll send this mail right now. So let's give a exciting subject name. So you can see that first name is a personalization field which we are planning to use. Below you can see the other top level personalization tags which SendX system provides, like first name, last name, email, company, birthday, amongst others. However, just using your first name is very bland. Instead of that, since we also know the superhero of every user, let's have the subject line as something like Varun, amazing superhero goodies for you. Let's say Matt from Marvel Comics is sending his emails. Awesome. Now let's have a really good email body for it. We know you are a loyal fan of superhero name. So here, superhero name is a custom field which we had earlier created. So like for users whose superhero is Superman, this will get replaced by Superman, and for users whose superhero is Batman, it will get replaced by Batman. So let's name it as marvelcomics.com. Now, in order to make the email really exciting, let's basically have a custom coupon code. So let's say you can get 40% discount by using the coupon code as hash dot superhero name. So these are the various coupon codes which we are providing. So this can be used in many different ways. This is just one of the examples. And just to take it a step ahead, let's also add an image. So in order to do so, we'll just move to the source piece and let's basically add a beautiful image of the superhero. So now let's switch back. If you'll see over here, you won't see any image and this image will be broken. The reason is by default, this image does not have any value. However, once this image is being sent to your users, you will see that this image will appear differently for each of your users. So let's quickly send this email to all our users. Awesome. So we have just sent this email to both Varun as well as other fans in Marvel Fans Club. Let's see how the email will look like. So this is how basically Varun is seeing the email. So if you'll see the subject line, it has been replaced by Varun, amazing Superman goodies for you. Whereas for another user, the same email will look like Pitmonk, amazing Batman goodies for you. This is a highly personalized email subject line, which will ensure that a lot of your users are getting engaged and at least opening the email because not just their name, but some of the other characteristics of their superheroes have been used in the subject line. Similarly, if we'll see the email content itself is dynamic. So for one of the users, he's seeing the image of Superman, whereas other user who loves Batman is seeing image of Batman. So this is just one of the simple examples of of creating engaging content using both personalization tags and custom fields. However, the use cases of it are enormous. So say you may be a social media network and you can use these custom fields. So in order to use your user's profile page, you may be a SaaS company where you can use these custom fields. So in order to have dynamic content based on life cycle of a user, you may be doing outbound prospecting, and based on which industry you are targeting or the designation of the individual whom you are targeting, you may have different content. So that's pretty much it from using custom fields and personalization tags. We hope that you enjoyed this episode.